Good morning, guys. My throat is so scratchy this morning. He said that's how he started off. So I guess we'll have to see. We have a name to pick. Let's get to that. Alright, guys. Everybody's names are in here. Turn up the brightness a little bit, maybe. So we got a couple new names. Everybody else is in here that hasn't been played yet. So let's pick a random name. Blue Waters. Congratulations, Blue Waters. Your videos will be playing all day today. Congratulations. Hey guys. So I don't know if you can hear me. I don't want to get really, really close to the camera. You see every wrinkle on my face. Yeah, so I did the draw, which you can see because this is going to go in the same video. And then, wow, the staff is loud today. But I still need to do a shout out. We had a lot of fun last night during the live stream. And yeah, unfortunately, guys, my luck has run out. I am coming down sick with what my husband has. It's not real bad right now. I don't feel wonderful, but right now it's just a cough. And I can feel the buildup in my, of problem in my chest, which with him, he said he was like that for maybe 2 or 3 days before it hit him like a ton of bricks. So I probably have a couple of days before I feel miserable. But yippee skippy. But Ian's here at work. They provided me with free food this morning because I'm going to be sticking around. So that's always nice. I am going to see if I can do food deliveries here. They don't have it's not as big of a town. They don't have as much, they don't have as many restaurants, but we'll see if I can pick up anything because that would be helpful. But yeah, so we will end this video here, and happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Mine is going to be very low-key because my husband still feels like crap, and I'm on a downward spiral now, so not so fun. But yeah, so congratulations to Blue Waters. You will be streaming today, and yeah, at some point I'm going to be doing the video for the shout out for the winner of yesterday's game during the live stream. And yeah, so before I sign off, circumstances are changing in our household. My stepson may be moving back. He talked to my husband really late last night. He is wanting / needing to move back, and in order to make room for him, I am going to have to rehome my 3 male guinea pigs. I'm really sad. If I don't rehome them, my stepson will not have a place to sleep. So kind of have to do what we gotta do. Makes me sad. But yeah. So anyway, there's that bit of bad news in this video. And I'll talk with y'all later.